If your iPhone MOV clips are lagging in Premiere Pro or DaVinci, or your timeline stutters like crazy, it's usually because they're HEVC files. In the next 2 minutes, I'll batch convert them to MP4 H.264 so editing is smoother and exporting is more predictable. Timer starts now. MOV is just the container. The real issue is often with the codec HEVC H.265, which is heavier to decode as the data stream in it is more compressed. On the other hand, H.264 with an MP4 file is still the safest and smoothest choice for editing and social media uploads. So let's see how it's done. First of all, you'll need a powerful converter. I recommend the UniConverter, it's what I'll use as well. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. The reason I'm using this converter tool is because it supports over 1,000 file types and it converts files simultaneously, multiple files at the same time, so the process is super fast. If you ain't sure how to transfer your videos from your iPhone to your PC, here are 2 easy tips. Upload them to Google Drive or other file transfer sites and easily download them to your PC. You can turn on iCloud uploads and just simply download the files from iCloud. Use the transfer tool in the UniConverter to import media directly from your iPhone. Check this video for the step-by-step process. Next, open the converter tool. Once you have your files, import them into the converter. This tool has no limits for number of imported files. Then, click down here on the Format Options menu and choose MP4 as your output format. To double-check the codec settings, click on the Setting button here. And afterwards, check if it's set to H.264 at the codec settings. Moving on, choose an output folder for your converted files. And once you're all set, click on Convert All. And that's it! Timer stops. Once these files are processed, you can use them much easier in your editing software. We were under 2 minutes, just as I promised. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.